So I was totally going to make a green screen video to answer your question, and I just couldn't get it to work out right. So I have this old phone that I sometimes use as a camera that I've got some screenshots of where I got them and a few other things that I'll go over with you. But these came from Mission Stone and Tile, and they are called the Hexagon King Nut Inlay 8-inch tile, which is a good size. I was originally going to go with a 9-inch black tile from Home Depot, and I had several buckets full of them ready to go. And then I saw these online and I was like, oh, I like those. I'm going to take these ones back to Home Depot. Thankfully, they took them all back. And these came in, and I'm super happy with how they came out. So you can go on their website and get 10% off. At least this was true yesterday when I took the screenshot, if you order more than $150 worth. And it does say that you can get free shipping. Some exclusions apply. I think the exclusion was you have to order $1,000 to get free shipping. I got $99 flat rate shipping. And speaking of shipping, RL Carriers is who they use to do the delivery, and they called me a couple of days before they were ready to actually deliver and tried to get me to pay another $260 for shipping. And I called Mission Tile back, and they said it was a miscommunication, and they worked it out with the carrier. So the carrier released the tile to me without paying anything extra. And I originally found these tiles on Tile Club. I think this is a 9-inch version of the same tile. It costs a little more, so I went with Mission Tile, and super happy with them. I got 5 boxes, 20 tiles a box. There's 28 different patterns here. They were open. At least this is the day I picked it up from their warehouse. Some of the boxes were open, and 2 tiles were broken, but it wasn't really a loss because I needed to cut those in half to do some of these tiles up against the door and the wall. So I didn't even bother telling Mission Tile that 2 of them were broke. And I found this picture on Google. I think this is a palace or a castle somewhere in Europe. And these are actual wood hexagons that they used as a floor. And I was going to totally do that here. But then I found these tiles and super happy with how they came out.